Red Roof and its family of hotels and hotel owners have a long-standing reputation for high standards of hotel cleanliness. We pride ourselves on understanding the needs of our guests. We know that safety is your #1 concern for the future of travel. That's why we have enhanced our cleaning protocols to meet your expectations. Introducing Red Roof's RediClean. In alignment with the American Hotel and Lodging Association's Safe Stay, an industry-wide enhanced standard of health and safety protocols, and following recommendations from the Centers for Disease Control, Red Roof's RediClean includes rigorous enhanced cleaning protocols that address the new normal and gives you, our guest, the confidence you need to hit the road again. Our property managers and employees have undergone RediClean training and are armed with the cleaning protocols to keep themselves and you safe. Red Roof's RediClean is taking cleanliness and hygiene to a whole new level, and we are ready and welcome our guests for all your travel needs. Whether taking the car for a family staycation, reuniting with a loved one, or traveling for essential business, Red Roof is committed to our enhanced cleaning program to give you the confidence you deserve.